Sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Yo, Smalls, turn up with it, bro.
Got a baby, now you follow. Now you follow, 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 now you follow.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the Ash Blonde Hot Glued wig, and in this part I will be showing you guys how I installed the wig. Because a lot of people were asking, like, did it affect like the installing of the wig? No, it didn't. I literally just installed it just as how I would install the wig if it was sewn. Because it is a closure wig, I won't be doing all that necessary, like gluing and all of that. I'm going to just be using the Got2b glue spray. Also, I went in and I attached an elastic band to the back of the wig. And as far as blending, I just use my foundation because it is 613 hair. I've never bleached 613 hair before. I'm not sure if you can bleach it. So I normally just use my foundation to like allow it to blend a little bit more with my skin. I didn't do anything extra. It's just like how I've installed all my closure wigs. Nothing new, nothing out of the ordinary. I did go in and I did cut the hair a bit. Well, not a bit. I did cut it a lot just because it is I don't know. I just think 16 inch, like 14, 16 inch, and sometimes 18 inches, I think they're like a little bit weird on how they fall, especially if it's like straight hair. It's like, I don't know, it's just, maybe I just have a personal issue with it, but I just hate how the 16 or 14 or 18 inch falls when it is straight. So after installing the wig, I did go in and I did cut the hair. I didn't need baby hairs for this video, but I did go in and I put a little bit of baby hairs in it just because I wanted it to look, you know, a little more saucy. But yeah, I didn't do anything extra, like I said, literally just how I normally install my closure wig, nothing new. So I'm just gonna let you guys sit and watch the rest of the video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up button, make sure to click the bell button so you guys are notified whenever I post. And also, I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I think when I reach 10,000 subscribers, so I'm already at 5,600, almost at 6,000. So when I hit that 10,000 subscriber mark, I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So make sure you guys subscribe and get your friends to subscribe and like this video just so we could hit that 10,000 subscriber mark, and then we could, you know, do the giveaway and give y'all some little goodies for like supporting your girl from day one. Anyways, thank you again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Clout chasing all different angles. Little nigga don't know it get dangerous. Woo.